What is the right age for finishing school? And the answer is 13 years old.
The Young Adult Finishing School program by Savoir Faire Academy is an 8 days intensive program that helps young people to maximize their potential, where students learn from social skills to etiquette and personal impact to make a great first impression.
Hi, my name is Venisha. I'm currently pursuing BSc Economics from NMIMS.
Hello, I'm Ishan. I'm a 13-year-old and I study in the 9th grade.
Hi, I'm Alina Shah. I'm currently a student at NMIMS and I'm studying BBA Entrepreneurship and Family Business. Today is my first day at the Young Adult Finishing School.
Whether it's school, in interviews, or among their friends, the aim of the program for students to understand the savoir faire way and approach life with values, confidence, and individuality. Through Savoir Faire Academy, young adults prepare for life beyond education.
One thing I really liked about Savoir Faire Academy is that they focus on conceptual clarity, on mindset clarity rather than the physical approach or rather than teaching them the dining etiquette. Yes, dining etiquette, the way you dress, the way you approach people is one part of it, but if you're not clear internally or if you're not clear in your mindset, that doesn't really show out. 3 things that I learned in the program are confidence, body posture, and media training. I have become quite an social, outgoing person. I do tend to approach people a lot more. Confidence is the key word I would use here. The girl who entered the class at day 1 of Savoir Faire Academy and the girl who is leaving today at day 8 is a completely changed one, right from her mind to the way she dresses and the way she carries herself. I'm really grateful to Ms. Bakshi for giving me this opportunity, for teaching me with utmost patience and care, and for building a new and a better version of me.
This one-week action-packed program is filled with plenty of exciting activities alongside lessons. The Young Adult Finishing School program focuses on consideration, respect, and honesty principles. Learning focuses on putting savoir faire way into practical internalization to bring out positive change of behavior and attitude. Rather than following a set of rules, we focus on building successful relationships.
So at first, when I enrolled at Savoir Faire, I thought it was just going to be like a boring class. Then when I came here, it was actually quite fun. We learned how to eat food in different ways. The American way, the continental way, the British way. We also learned how to eat bread. I never ate bread the way I eat bread now. Savoir Faire Academy has taught me a lot about manners and etiquette, but most importantly, it has also taught me how to approach things with a positive mindset. Considering that I'm a pretty mischievous child, it has also helped me up my mannerisms.
Young adults cover a broad range of subjects from visual impact to personal branding, interview skills to communication and presentation skills. Students are recorded on video series to put together their own introductory pitch, as well as learning about dining etiquette, dress code, international etiquette, and personal style.
My experience personally, coming from a family business background, being instilled with the values of having good mannerisms and being grounded has always been at the utmost priority. And this finishing school really acted as a polishing school for me, as I learned about different etiquette, different networking skills, different social skills, different gestures that are really important. The 3 things off the top of my mind that have really been of utmost importance in order have been media training, because being just thrown in the presence of a camera and being, made to not be as conscious of yourself really helped me. And the way etiquette is really logical rather than a set form of rules and regulations, because you want to approach scenarios by logic, not by a certain regulation set by the old times. And this modern way of learning really helped us hone that mindset and hone that ability to be adaptable, be flexible in different cultures, scenarios, and situations.
At the end of the program, a long-lasting friendships are formed. Young Adult Finishing School program gives students an edge, whether it's school, for university, or securing internship for their future. The Young Adult Finishing School program boosts ambition to stand out from the crowd and strive harder for a successful and fulfilling life ahead.